Okay, so let's start this off that you are in a car, RC car. Okay, alright. Put that there. Think you're okay? Pretty good. Okay. Let's see here. Let's try to fix this once again because this is really hard. Okay. It's really hard because I am using tape to connect the RC car to the camera. Okay, let's try it. Once again. I'll just keep looking. Hold on. Let's try this again. Alright, guys. So, airplane somewhere. There it is. Okay. So my brother is setting up. We have a GoPro now, so then it's gonna be. So he has Velcro, if you know what that is, and he's gonna be connecting it to this car. So then it's not gonna keep, the camera's not gonna keep falling off. Like so yeah, I tried, and yeah, this is what it looks like now. Hey, Con, it worked kind of. I got here to there.
Oh, good job, Darren. Well, you could have just used this.
That's not. It's cheating. But then it makes videos every minute, so then.
Yeah, I can post them together. It's called video editing there. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know you did. I guess you don't know what that is.
I
You don't
know.
apply that to any video.
I do. Okay, whatever.